All right, so this question says a voter registration drive was held in Richmond. The number of voters V registered T days after the drive began can be estimated by the equation V is equal to 3,450 plus 65T. Where to use this equation, 6,700 is equal to 3,450 plus 65T to determine the value of T and its meaning in this context. So as usual, let's go ahead and annotate, just pay attention to some important information. So the number of voters is given by V. T is the days after the drive began. And then we have this equation, V is equal to 3,450 plus 65T. We're also asked to use this equation to solve for, we've got to find the value of T. So we're trying to figure out like what T is and its meaning. Awesome. So we're going to get started by just writing down the equation that is given, which is 6,700 is equal to 3,450 plus 65 T, and I'm just going to highlight what we're solving for because we always want to leave that alone or isolate it, get it by itself on one side of the equation. We will start by subtracting 3,450 from both sides of the equation, seeing that it is being added to 65T. And so to remove it, we undo that by doing the opposite of adding 3,450. We subtract 3,450 from both sides. So that just leaves 65T on the right side, and on the left side we're going to have 3,250 on the left side. 65T means that T is being multiplied by 65, so to undo that multiplication we do the inverse, which is division. So we divide by 65 on both sides, and when we get 3,250 divided by 65, that produces, so these cancel each other out, we are just left with T that is going to be equal to 50. And then what does that 50 represent? It represents the number of days after voter registration began. They told us that. And there we have it.